Hi friends, welcome back. I am Shashank and today let's solve more problems based on logical reasoning. So we have our first one here. 24 plus 49 gives us 9848. So what will 46 plus 39 give us? We have the four options. Please pause the video and try to solve it yourself. Okay, so if you take the first equation, that is 24 plus 49 gives us 9848, and if we see 24 times 2 will be 48 and 48 plus 1 will be 49. Well, you can't apply the same logic for the second one. So we can see that we have 49. 49 times 2 will give us 98, and 24 times 2 will give us 48. We have 4, 8 and 9, 8. In the answer it has been reversed. So you have to reverse the answer after getting it. If you use the same logic for this one, we have 46 plus 39 to find the value. 46 times 2 will be 92, and 39 times 2 will be 78. We have 9278. We have to interchange them, which is 7892. So we have it in the option, so that's the correct answer. So what we did here is, we had 24 plus 49 gives us 9848. We have to find the value of this one. We took 24 and 49 and we saw that 24 times 2 is 48 and 49 times 2 is 98. So we interchanged the value and got 9848, which is the answer of the first one. So with the same logic, we went to the second one. We had 46 plus 39. 46 times 2, which gives us 92, and 39 times 2, which gives us 78. We interchanged them and got 7892, which is the answer. Hope you understood. Okay. Second one. So we have this problem: 4, 11 and 7, 3, 8 and 5, 5, 2 and 3, 72, 197, and we have to find this number. And we have the options given. So please pause the video and try to solve it. Hope you have tried it. Here we can see that the greatest numbers is on the bottommost part. So we can start the operations from upward to the first one to the last one. It is 4, 3 and 5. So let's try this. 4 into 3 into 5. 4 into 3 into 5 will be 60. 4 times 3 times 5 is 60. And 60 plus 12 will be 72. And we got 12 by using, we added 4, 3 and 5 to 60. Here it's 60 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5. We did this, which gave us 60 plus 12, which is 72. We see the same one, we see the next one with the same logic. 11, 8 and 2. We do 11 times 8 times 2. Which gave us 88 times 2, which is 176. We have 176 and we should add 11, 8 and 2. 11 plus 8 plus 2. This gives us 176 plus 11 plus 8 plus 2, which is 21, which gives us 197, which we have here. So if you apply the same logic for the third one, then we'll have 7 times 5 times 3, which is 35 times 3, which is 105. 105 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3, that is 7 plus 5 plus 3, which will give us 105 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3, which is 15. So 120 will be our answer. We have 120 in the options. So what we did here is, the greatest value of the numbers is in the bottommost row. So we have to do the operations between the first 3 rows. So what it was, 4 times 3 times 5 gave us 60. Then we added 4 plus 3 plus 5, which gave us 12. So 60 plus 12 gave us 72. We got the first one. The second one we did with the same logic, and for the third one also we did with the same logic. 7 times 5 times 3, which gave us 105, plus 7 plus 5 plus 3, which gave us 15. So 105 plus 15 gave us 120. So this is how we solve this problem. Let's move on to the next one. This is 120. Let's move to the next one. Okay, so we have this 7, 6 and 8, 5, 4 and 9, 3, 2 and 1, 83, 56 and we have to find this. We have 4 options. Please pause the video and try to solve it yourself. So hope you have tried to solve it yourself. Now we can see that the greatest value is in the bottommost row. So we can do, we have to add, multiply, subtract or divide the first 3 rows. 7, 5 and 3. 7 times 5 times 3 will be 105, which is not close to 83. So we can try 7 plus 5 plus 3 will give us 12 and plus 3 will give us 15, which is not close to 83. So we can try 7, we can take 7 square plus 5 square plus 3 square. The values are 7 square is 49, 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9, which will give us 83. We'll get 83. In the same way for the second one, we have 6 square plus 4 square plus 2 square. So it will give us 36 plus 16 plus 4. So it will give us 56. 16 plus 4 is 20, 20 plus 36 is 56. So we got the logic here, that is we have to add the squares of all the first 3 rows. The first 3 rows. In the same logic we can do this, that is 8 square plus 9 square plus 1 square. 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81 plus 1. So we have here 64 plus 81. On 45 plus 1, which is 146. We got our answer, it is 146. So we got this by, we saw that the greatest value of numbers is in the last row. So we had to do adding, subtracting, multiplying or dividing for the first 3 rows. So we did 7 square plus 5 square plus 3 square, which is 49 plus 25 plus 9, which gave us 83. We had 83 here. And for the second one, 6 square plus 4 square plus 2 square gave us 36 plus 16 plus 4, which gave us 56, which we had here. And for the third one, we took 8 square plus 9 square plus 1 square, which gave us 64 plus 81 plus 1, which gave us 146. Hope everyone understood how to solve this. Let's move on to the we have so in this number series we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 5, 8, 7, and we have to find the next two numbers as per the options. So we have the question, we have the options. Please pause the video and try to solve it yourself. Hope you have tried it. Now here we have 5 and 5. So it is not a normal series. We don't have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 5 and 5. Here it is increasing. Here it is the same. Here it is decreasing from 8, 7. So it is not a normal series. So what we should do here is, in these cases, in most of the time, we have the relation will be not between the first one and the second one. It will not be between the first one and the second one. It will be usually between first one and third one, or first one and fourth one. We'll have the relation in this way. So let's try it. If we take the relation between 1 and 3, 1 and 3, we have a difference of 2. We have added 2 there. And from 3 to 5, we have added 2. And 5 to 7, we have added 2. And for this, from 2 to this 5, we have added 3. And from 5 to 8, we have added 3. So now, in the same manner, after 8, we have to leave 7, and for the next one, which is here, we should add 3 again. 8 plus 3 will be 11. 11, comma, and then we have to go here. We have to add 2 here. We have 7 plus 2, which is 9. So our two numbers is 11 and 9. So we got this in this way, that we had the number series 1, 2, 3, 5, 5, 8, 7, 11, 9. So we know that when we have two same numbers in a number line, and we have all the three types, that is, it's increasing 1, 2, 3, it's same 5 and 5, and it is decreasing 8 and 7. We know that it is not some simple number series. So we should not find the relation between the first one and the second one. It will always be a relation between the first one and the third one, first one and the fourth one, so on. So we took the relation between first one and the third one. So 1 and 3 plus 2, 3 and 5 plus 2, 3 plus 5, 2, 5 plus 2, 7. Like that, 7 plus 2, 9. So we got 9. And then for this number, we took plus 3. For 2 and 5, plus 3. 5 and 8, plus 3. 8 and 11, plus 3. We got 11. So the answer is 11 and 9. If we move on to the next question. So here we can see that we have 9, 19, 37, 75, 149. We have to find this space. So we have the question, we have the options. Please pause the video and try to solve it yourself. Hope you have tried it. We have 9, 19 and 37. So if you see, it is almost the double of it. Like this number into 2 will be 18, and this number into 2 will be 36, will be 38, and 37 into 2 will be 74, and 75 into 2 will be 150. So it is almost close to it. But we can see that in the first number, 9 into 2 is 18 and plus 1 is 19. and 19 into 2 is 38 and 38 minus 1 is 37. So what logic we have found here is 9 into 2, 18. We'll write it like this, 9 into 2 plus 1 is 19 and 19 into 2 minus 1 is 37. For the next one, 37 into 2 is 74, 74 plus 1 is 75, and we have 75 into 2 which is 150 minus 1 is 149. So we have found the relation here, that is you have to multiply by 2 and add 1. For the next one, multiply by 2, subtract 1. Multiply by 2, add 1. Multiply by 2, subtract 1. Plus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1. So the next one will be plus 1. It is 149. 149 into 2 will be plus 1. We have plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. It will be 149 into 2 which is 298. 298 plus 1 is 299. So we got our answer, that is 299. So hope you understood how we have solved this problem and the rest of the problems. We'll continue on some more problems in the next class. Thank you.
Microphone check, make it a microphone check, give it a microphone. No. Microphone check, make it a microphone check, give it a microphone.